Today we will tell you a story which proves that everything is possible, especially if you want it very much. Life. It's always overly supportive to some and terribly unfair to others. But that's life, and we have to deal with all hardships with our heads held high. Back in 2011, Gabby Shull suspected that something was wrong after having a bad fall while ice skating. At first, it seemed like a simple bruise, but everything was a lot more serious. Osteosarcoma was the disappointing diagnosis she received. 9-year-old Gabby had to go to war with cancer. And as everyone knows, no war is without its casualties. After a 3-month course of chemotherapy, Gabby received a rotationplasty. They removed her kneecap, which was affected by cancer, and after turning the rest of the leg 180 degrees, reattached it to the femur. Such an amputation allows for a lot of mobility in the future, even though it looks scary. However, when a child's life is at stake, the options are limited. Her parents said, "We talked about it with Gabby and watched videos of how people live after having a rotationplasty. We learned that there are absolutely no cons to rotationplasty except the way it looks, and if you can get past that and focus on your quality of life, then you've gained everything and lost nothing." Gabby said that after the surgery she had just one dream: to dance again. She did ballet before her knee was amputated, and she wanted to continue very much. This wish and the support of her loved ones motivated her a lot and got her out of the hospital bed. She said, "It was painful at first. I was afraid to put weight on my leg. It took me about a year and several personal trainer sessions to take my first steps without any assistance, and a year after that, I was dancing on stage again." Gabby Shull is now 14 years old. She is once again training, taking part in competitions, and motivating many children who beat cancer, but whose rehabilitations are still ahead of them. In the future, she wants to become a doctor in order to discover a cure for cancer. She said, "If I can beat cancer and live with a prosthetic leg and learn to do everything again, then I believe I can do anything." Truly, if a person wants something very much, he or she is capable of a lot. No matter what, you and only you can fulfill your dream. Don't listen to anyone who tells you that you will not succeed. Those who do not believe in you are not your friends.